have no control key for our InstaKey, but we need to get the cover plate off to get to the screws to tighten it up, but it will not come off. You can see there's a little spring in there. So we need the control key, but we don't have one. So we'll probably have to drill the screws. Go. Got it. Got it. Okay. Now we can access the screws to tighten it up. So we should have it engaged right there. And go. And that's it. Boom. Okay, so upon further inspection, the tailpiece is actually just completely stripped out. So we would have had to get it off there anyways, and I don't carry these tailpieces, so this is pretty much just going to go in the garbage can, and we'll just put on a temporary replacement, and they can bring whatever, send out whatever replacements they want. But you can see that this piece only turns that far, and that's it. And this one just spins round and round and round.
Wayne's Lock Shop, we strive to be the leading resource in tips, tricks, and educational videos for locksmiths. Videos are added every week on topics ranging from rekeying high-security locks to marketing your locksmith business and everything in between. Safe openings, car openings, installation tool reviews, and bypass methods are all plentiful on this secure website built by and for locksmiths. If you are a locksmith and want an inexpensive resource that will prove invaluable to you and your business, then Wayne's Lock Shop is the place for you. Please sign up today at wayneslockshop.com.